So hello everybody. What you see here is my next quick project. It's our first own apartment that we had somebody else using for a year or a little bit more, and they did not take care of this at all. So let's just show you what has been happening. Somehow we lived here for 8 years. We didn't have these issues. Somehow they managed to. One thing is a little bit mold here because the moisture. I don't know what they did, how they did get so much moisture here. But the other thing is, it's just really dirty everywhere. It's just, I mean, if you look at the walls, I don't know how you get things to go like this. It's just, I know it's hard to see, but it wasn't a new apartment, but it was clean and sort of fresh. Now, let me show you the best part. Boom. I don't know. I'm just afraid to touch it even. But regardless, already started a little bit. Throw out some trash, clean up the rooms, get the mold off, some primer, paint, and fix up everything that needs to be fixed up. Okay guys, here we are again, day 2, or not the day, what is it? It's 8 p.m, so evening number 2, so didn't manage to do much last time, just cleaned the furniture out a little bit. Now we're gonna try to sand it a little bit to be able to put more filler, then try to wash this nasty dark thing, because I'm afraid if I just paint over it, it will come out through the paint. So maybe some bleach, chlorine will kill it. Okay, set you up for time lapse here. Okay, it's almost 11 p.m. I think we are done for today. Maybe tomorrow we'll actually put some paint on it. Yep. See you tomorrow. Okay. Evening number 3. We are not far. We are nowhere. Let's get things moving again. Try to set some clear goals. For example, let's sand everything down that we filled yesterday, and let's finally put some paint on it. Even if we can't go everywhere with the paintbrush, let's just put some paint. Maybe we'll get something out of the way. Move further with the project. And I put you time lapse again. So, evening number 4. Last time I was supposed to put primer on the walls. Then I realized that whatever I bought, it's this color, a pink. Didn't want to put it on a white wall. So I got some new, and wanna finish this up again nicely. Have some challenges there. This one, no. Let's get this one up. Bought this silicone remover. Does not seem to work. It's not even soft. I don't know. Okay, let's get to it. Okay, as usual, yesterday battery ran out, but we got it primed. There's some flaws here and there, but what else did we do yesterday? Don't remember. Mostly priming, I guess. Put this grill or rest grill to the door. Oh yeah, fixed up this thing here. I need to put the sink back. Let's fix this. But I figured maybe we will start with putting. I want to see how this window grill or fresh valve will work. I will install this. Okay, quick update. Put some more primer. Need to fix the hole there. Adjusted some wiring here. Spent like 6 hours, but I don't know. Doesn't seem much done, does it? Taking the cabinets down already took a minute. Anyways, see you soon. Day whatever. Quick update. What we have done. It's getting together a little bit. The walls have been painted. Progressing up here also. This thing is more or less ready. I have the new ceiling. The goal today is to finish painting in front and maybe set up some furniture back here. Let's see. Looks much better, does it?